Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Hello, world! And syempre pa, Diyos marahain na banggi, mga kasurog. Ito po ang inyong paboritong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Hatid po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. And this is our day 44 and it's going to be the final day ng ating Bigaten quarterfinals dito po. Live na live sa napakagandang Iriga Sports Complex.
Yes, partner. Bago tayo dumako sa ating laro, pasadahan muna natin ang ating team standings sa ating Bigaten quarterfinals.
Ayan, pero bago natin pasadahan, partner, itong ating mga team standings na naka-display na sa screen ngayon, batiin muna natin ang Happy Father's Day lahat ng mga tatay, especially yung mga basketball fans ng mga tatay. This is going to be a treat for them. So ito na, yung para sa bracket A, dahil sa laro ng Naga, and Nabwa kahapon at ng Sangay and Milaor, pasok na po ang Naga and Sangay. Waiting na sila sa ating semifinals. Kumbaga, nasungkit na nila ang much coveted na semifinal seat. Okay, so dito naman sa ating day 44 ay paglalabanan ng nasa bracket B, kung saan ang Kamaligan ay merong tatlong panalo, isang talo. And ang Goa naman ay merong dalawang panalo, isang talo. And so as Iriga, dalawang panalo, isang talo. Yung San Fernando na maglalaro din ngayon sa ating first game, meron silang isang panalo, dalawang talo. Samantalang yung Del Gallego ay namaalam na po sa ating competition na meron silang, wala pa sila actually na ay panalo. Alright, so yun.
Yan ang ating mga nangungunang team sa ating tournament at para naman sa ating unang laro ngayong gabi, magtatapat ang upunan ng San Fernando kontra sa kupunan ng Team Goa. And partner, syempre, bago natin makalimutan ng lahat, magpakilala muna tayo. Ako nga pala, si John Bachiller, kasama ang aking partner na si Kapa Morgan, si Kuya Alex Padronio, bringing you first game for tonight's ball game.
Yes, and gaya ng mga teams na nananalo ngayon na nasa momentum, okay, feeling ko, partner dyan, nasa momentum din ako, giving you the best coverage that we can give dito po sa ating Bigaten quarterfinals sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Indeed, this first game is very crucial. Kumbaga, partner, what are your thoughts sa laban ng Goa versus San Fernando?
Alam mo, partner, this is going to be an exciting ball game, kagaya ng mga games natin kagabay sa day 43. I think this is going to be much exciting dahil lahat ng mga teams dito ay talagang desidido na makasungkit ng panalo dahil makaka-epekto ito sa kanilang standing at sa kanilang kampanya na makasungkit ng upuan sa ating semifinals. You know, San Fernando, who will be playing against Goa ngayon dito sa ating first game, must win against Goa for a possible triple tie between Goa, San Fernando, and Iriga kung ang Iriga ay matatalo sa Kamaligan mamaya sa kanilang game sa second matchup natin. At ang Goa naman must also win against San Fernando to secure a possible triple tie with Iriga, Kamaligan, and Goa if Iriga will win over Kamaligan sa Game 2. Kaya talagang napaka-exciting. What a treat talaga para sa ating mga tatay at sa lahat ng mga kapamilya.
Yes, indeed. This is going to be a special day para sa ating mga tatay. And syempre, special din ang ating mga laro. Kaya partner, bago tayo dumako sa ating laro, puntahan muna natin ang ating third member of the panel na si Ms. Barbie Floriano para kapanayamin ang bawat coaches ng bawat kupunan. Barbie, magandang gabi sa iyo.
Thank you for that, Coach John and Coach Morgan, at magandang gabi mga kasurog. This is Barbie Floriano, your courtside reporter that will give you the latest updates for our duple games for tonight. Game 1 will be the battle between San Fernando against Goa. And here with me are the coaches of our playing teams. Magkakaroon muna tayo ng quick chika minutes with them. So good evening po, coaches. Let's start first with Team Goa, Coach Pandoy Prado. So Coach, we are nearing the end of quarterfinals. Kamusta po yung experience nyo dito sa Ako Bicol Cup?
So far, maganda yung experience namin kasi nakadalawang panalo na kami. Sana madala namin yung momentum hanggang ngayong last game namin para makasecure ng semifinals.
Ano naman po, Coach, yung baon ng Team Goa para sa match-up na ito?
Yung panalo namin against Iriga and Del Gallego, yun ang moral booster sa amin. Kasi powerhouse yung Iriga. Kumbaga, doon, kumpiyansa namin sa sarili at sa team, medyo tumaas kasi dahil sa panalo na yon.
Right now, Coach, you have the opportunity para batiin at pasalamatan ang supporters po ng Team Goa. Go ahead, Coach.
Okay, I have the list. First of all, kay Mayor Marcel Espan, kay Attorney Francis Papica, Engineer Ruel Pastor, Kagawad Dr. Lynn Rispal, Mr. Manuel and Ram Asor of Jacksonville Hotel, Mr. Kendall Rosales, Mr. Joel Dalangin, Mr. Salvador Isplago, the Percival Grill, the pioneering bats of PSU BSE SE, Rapado 96, Karurukan family of Lemery, and of course, happy birthday to my daughter, Dane, and to my godson, Sean Terence, and of course, sa family Prado and Abragan, and to all Goaeños who are supporting the Wildcats.
Thank you po, Coach, and happy Father's Day. Dito naman po tayo kay Coach Joshua Garcia of Team San Fernando. How was your experience po here in Ako Bicol Cup?
So first, nagpapasalamat kami sa Ako Bicol Cup, Kong Saldico, na because dinala nila dito yung isa sa pinakamagandang cup dito sa Bicol, which is the Ako Bicol Cup. So maganda yung experience namin, sana hindi pa to yung una at huli na cup dito sa Kamsur.
Ano naman, okay, thank you for that, Coach. Ano naman po, Coach, yung developments na ginawa ng Team San Fernando for this matchup?
So, unang-una, first, thank you kay God kasi nakarating kami dito ng safe after a long ride. So, yung mga development namin, so matchup, so alam mo naman, ma'am, na ang San Fernando is considered as underdog team here in quarterfinal. So ang ginagawa namin, more on motivation na lang sa players. Pinabaon na namin ng perseverance para self-confidence para hindi sila mawala ng pag-asa sa laro. Yan.
Thank you for that words of encouragement, Coach. You have the opportunity naman po para batiyan at pasalamatan ang supporters ng Team San Fernando.
Okay po, first of all, Happy Father's Day sa to all viewers, kay Mayor Permin, kay Ma'am Michelle, LGU San Fernando, sa tatay ko, sa mama ko, sa pinsan ko dyan, kako-teachers ko, sa mga students ko na nanonood ng live, sa mga sa people of San Fernando, sa asawa ko nanonood doon, at si Aliyah. So, yun, thank you.
Thank you so much for your time po, coaches. Good luck on your game and happy Father's Day po, mga kasurog. You can catch us live at Facebook page of Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List, Representative Zaldico, also on YouTube and TikTok, Ako Bicol Cup. So alam kong excited na kayo sa kung anong mangyayari sa matchup na ito, kaya wag na nating patagalin pa. Balik sa inyo, Coach John and Coach Morgan.
Maraming salamat, Barbie, sa update sa ating mga coaches. And syempre, partner, bago tayo pumunta sa ating pinakabangang first game of the night, puntahan naman natin ang ating kasurog matchups for tonight's ball game.
Yes, exciting ako para dyan. Ang ating match-up or kasurog match-up for this game ay walang iba between Rick Julark Asibor ng San Fernando o siya yung tinaguriang The Dagger. At sa kampo naman ng Goa, it's Rafael Pap Vivares. Itong stats na ibibigay natin ay ito yung stats nila or ang source nito ay yung previous game nila. So para sa 2-point average, nakakalamang si Pap Vivares na mayroong 65%, samantalang si Julark Asibor ay mayroong 63%. Sa 3-point average naman, nakakalamang pa rin itong si Rafael Pap Vivares with 33% kontra sa 26% ni Julark Asibor. Sa free throws naman, nakakalamang itong si Julark Asibor with 86%, samantalang si Rafael Pap Vivares ay mayroon lamang 63%. Sa assist naman, Rafael Pap Vivares dished out 4.7% sa kanilang previous outing, and ito namang si Julark Asibor ay mayroong 3.7. Dito naman sa rebounds, nakakalamang ng konti itong si Rafael Pap Vivares na mayroong 3.7, samantalang si Julark Asibor ay merong 2.3. Sa average points nila, nakakalamang itong si Pop Vivares ng Goa with 17.0. And ito namang si Julark Asibor ay merong 13.7.
Yes, indeed, partner. This is going to be a good matchup. Labanan ng dalawang gwardya na both scoring guards. And syempre, partner, bago tayo dumako sa ating laro, puntahan naman natin ang stats nila sa kanyang previous game, sa kanilang mga teams.
Ito yung stats ng mga teams na San Fernando and Goa. So sa 2-point average, merong tie sila, 55%. So talagang magiging bakbaka dito, dikdikan ng laban. When it comes to 2-point making, sa 3-point naman, ganun pa rin. Tie pa rin sila sa 30%. Samantalang dito sa free throw average, merong bahagyang disparity, 58% sa Goa, samantalang ang San Fernando ay merong 56%. Sa offensive rebounds naman, nakakalamang ang Goa with 11.0 at meron namang 8.3 ang San Fernando. Sa defensive rebounding naman, lamang na lamang ang San Fernando with 31.3, samantalang ang Goa ay merong 22.3. At dito sa assist ay medyo dikit lang naman kasi 14.7 sa Goa, 14.3 naman sa San Fernando. At sa turnover, madami ang i-turnover ng San Fernando sa kanilang previous outing kumpara sa Goa dahil meron silang 16.7, samantalang ang Goa ay merong 11.3.
Yes, partner, yan na nga ang ating stats for tonight's ball game. Indeed, this is going to be a war sa ating first game of the night. At partner, wag na natin patagalin to. Bigay na natin ang ating laro sa ating arena announcer na Mr. Sir JV Salvidar. JV, the floor is yours.
And both teams now are in the middle for the tip-off. We have Kadir and itong si Joven Salvacion ang magtatapatan para sa tip-off.
Yes,
Partner!
Yes, partner. Magandang gabi sa iyo. This is a Sunday special. A very special day because today is Father's Day. So we have what is at stake for us is good games sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Absolutely, partner. At ayan, ang unang tira mula kay Wawi Kadir.
But this is, yes, partner. Kumbaga, this is a good size despite the first game pa lang. Meron na tayong maraming fans. Yan na si Aguilar attacking. Drops it up to number 13. na si Benedicto Ryan but misses the shot. But there is Vivares answering back for two.
Ayan ang the silencer na tinagurian.
Yes, partner, and yun na.
And drawing the first blood is Pop Vivares for Team Goa.
Tama dyan, partner, nakaupo na ang Goa because may ritual sila, partner. Pag hindi pa nakakashoot, di pa sila umupo and napabilis kagad ang pag-upo nila with those layup na galing kay Vivares.
Meron pala nun ang Team Goa.
Yes, partner, yan as Karurukan crossing the half-court line, zigzagging, kicks it out to Michael Pan for three. No good. Rebound ni Benedicto.
And meron na ding dalawang attempts ang mga nakaputi. Itong mga taga San Fernando pero wala pa rin. Kagaya nun, pangatlong attempt, second try ni Joven Salvacion pero same result.
Yes, what a tap by Ryan Benedicto over Karurukan. Good defense on the part of Benedicto with 15 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Partner, this is a good venue sa ating double-header for tonight's ball game. Napakagandang Iriga Sports Complex.
Yes, indeed. At,
Napakalamig at napakagandang venue ngayong gabi.
at parami na ng parami ang tao na pumapasok dito to witness in flesh and blood itong mga magtatapatan at nagtatapatan na nga ng mga kupunan sa ating final game ng ating Bigaten quarterfinals. Again, hatid po ito sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurug pa.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Hatid sa atin. Ang buti yung congressman natin. Sabi si Wawi Kadir, hatid ko sa inyo ang isang 2 points na galing sa magandang pasa ng point guard nila. Ayan na si Asibur.
Say-my hook na inihatid ni Wawi Kadir.
Ayan na. Benedicto loses the ball nung nakita niya si Wawi Kadir na nasa harap niya. And another turnover on the part of San Fernando.
Wala pa sa rhythm itong kupunan ng San Fernando. Almost 2 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter.
Michael Pan attacks. Drops it up to Kadir with a short jumper and 1 plus the foul. Grabe, partner.
What a shot from this big guy ng Goa. One-hander partner. Medyo may distansya lang sa kanyang previous shot kanina. Pero same style.
Yes, partner.
Semi-hook.
Yes, partner, that shot is brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Islands, partner. Grabe, partner. I observed this Wawi Kadir talaga. He has a soft touch pagdating sa perimeter jumpers pero using his left hand, kumbaga his strong side.
Yeah, and I think he improved a lot. Naka-adjust na talaga siya dito sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Yes, partner. Kitang-kita naman. Very evident nung nakaraang mga crucial games sila talagang nagde-deliver. Pero sabi ni Ryan, ni number 8 na si Noliora Domingo, kayang-kaya ko rin yan. And ayan na si Vivares on attack mode, attacking the defense of San Fernando, was blocked by Salvacion. And a good defense on the part of Goa. San Fernando rather.
Yes, and finally, nakabuslo na ng 2 puntos courtesy of Noliora itong mga taga San Fernando and hoping na makabuslo uli dito sa kanilang possession na ito.
Yes, partner. Ayan na. Salvacion gives the ball to Asibur. Open for 3. No good. Rebound by Rafael Vivares. Yeah, he is rushing. Looking for his teammates. Rushing, attacking. Using the glass but misses the shot. There is Salvacion. Outlets to Monay. But there is Asibur to the rescue. But he stepped out of bounds and the ball will go to the Goa Wildcats.
Okay, and just a few, ito na, pwede na nating makapanayam ang isa sa mga technical committee members na si Coach Pao Biñas, and he will be ushered by our beautiful courtside reporter na walang iba kundi si Miss Barbie Floriano. Barbie!
Thank you so much for that, Coach Alex and Coach John, to give us some clarification sa mga possible scenario na mangyayari sa result ng game na ito. We have here Coach Paulo Biñas, one of the members of the technical committee. So, dear commentators, ano pong katanungan nyo kay Coach Pau?
Ayan, itong San Fernando ay merong kartadang 1-2 or isang panalo, 2 talo. What if manalo sila dito sa Goa sa kanilang game na ito, na ang Goa ay merong 2-1 win-loss card? Ano pang posibleng mangyari po? Ano magiging epekto nito sa ating Bigaten quarterfinals last day, Coach Pao Biñas?
Actually, this is a very important game for San Fernando. To force a possible triple tie with a 2 wins and 2 loss record between San Fernando, Goa, if Iriga loses to Kamaligan.
Oo. So on the other side naman, what if yung Goa ang manalo sa labang ito?
Ganun din, it's a very important game din to Goa kasi possible din na magkaroon ng triple tie between Goa, Iriga, and Camaligan if Iriga wins against Camaligan today, the second game.
So parang sinasabi mo, Coach, na dapat maipanalo ng both teams itong laban na ito regardless kung ano ang magiging outcome ng ating Game 2 mamaya. Tama po ba?
Oo, tama yan. Kasi it all depends first sa first game. Whether kung ano mangyari sa second game, kailangan muna nilang manalo yung both teams dito sa unang game. Doon natin malalaman kung ano magiging sitwasyon doon sa ating team standings. If there will be a triple tie between Iriga, Goa, and Camaligan, or triple tie between San Fernando, Goa, and Iriga.
Ayan, ang klarado dito ay dapat maipanalo ng dalawang naglalaban ng ito sa ating first game. Yun nga, ano man ang maging outcome mamaya sa second game natin. So maraming salamat, Coach Pao Biñas. Meron ka po bang ibang gusto pang mga mensahe na gusto mong ipahiwatig sa ating mga manonood?
First of all, thank you sa suporta sa Ako Bicol Cup. Hopefully hanggang finals nandyan kayo para suportahan. And stay tuned, baka sumunod na yung Cam Norte. So good luck sa lahat ng players and good luck sa darating na semis and finals yung mga magka-qualify. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat, Coach Pao Biñas, our one of the members of our technical committee. And syempre pa sa ating napakagandang courtside reporter na si Miss Barbie Floriano. Partner!
Yes, tama ka dyan. Maraming salamat kay Coach Paolo Biñas na bigyan linaw ang mga tanong na dapat nating masagot. Dama naman talaga. Kumbaga, may mga tao tayong dapat tanungin pagdating sa mga ganong bagay para sure tayo. And we are back sa ating laro. The score is 8-2. Lamang ang Goa.
Ang isa pang klarado doon ay talagang magiging exciting ang ball game na ito dahil kailangan nilang both teams ay maipanalo ito.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga talagang ang ating handog sa ating mga tatay ngayon dahil Father's Day, dalawang napaka-crucial na laro. So pakaabangan po natin yan. So manood kayo dito live if you're free. If wala naman, meron tayong mga social media platforms. Ayan na si Karurukan with the jumper. Misses the shot. Yun na nga, may Facebook tayo. May YouTube channel. Meron tayong TikTok. Marami tayo.
Ako Bicol Online TV, Representative Saldeco Facebook page at sa Ako Bicol Facebook page mismo. Sa YouTube naman po,
Ako Bicol
Cup.
And sa TikTok natin, pakaabangan natin. Kaya yun, partner, marami tayo. This is going to be an exciting one for sure. Kaya ayan na, balik tayo sa ating laro. Yung si Kadir, drops it off to Vivares. Ayan na si Lim Jr. again.
Oscar Lim.
Grabe talaga ito si Lim. Once he's inserted sa ating ball game, talagang he will deliver. And kumbaga quality minutes ang binibigay nito ang player na to sa kanyang coach.
At ngayon pa lang ay lumalamang na po ng 8 puntos ang Goa kontra sa San Fernando na still trying to find their rhythm dito sa larong ito.
Yes, another miss on the part of Salvacion. Ayan na. Vivares drops it up Karurukan. Bumps sa number 24 na si Calleja. But he was fouled. And yun na nga, meron tayong konting kiskisan on the part of Monay and Vivares pero naawat naman. But Karurukan Culber will troop to the line and for a free throw.
Yes, and papararating na tayo almost half through dito sa ating first quarter. 5.47 seconds remaining sa ating first or sa unang yugto ng ating laban ngayong gabi.
Yan, Karurukan makes the first free throw, partner. Yan na talaga, unti-unting pumapasok na ang ating mga fans or mga supporters sa ating venue dahil mamaya meron pa tayong isang exciting ball game na hatid sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico.
At yan ang laban between Iriga, yung home team, at ang top seed sa bracket nila na Camaligan.
Yeah.
Talagang bakbakan ang laban na ito. Dahil parang do or die ito para sa Team Iriga, di ba, partner?
Yes, tama ka dyan. It's a do or die. Pero despite they've lost those last outing, I guess, we don't count out this Iriga squad because this Iriga squad talaga is a force sa ating liga. And as of my source talaga, they've been teammates during their junior days. Kaya talagang matagal na sila and alam na nila yung mga tipo ng laro ngayon.
And so as Kamaliga naman. So it's going to be another bakbakan mamaya. Pero ito na muna.
Yes, tama ka dyan.
Namnamin na muna natin ang laban nito ng Goa at ng San Fernando.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Karurukan. But there is the follow-up ni Vivares. Vintes nakuha ni Michael Pan ang bola. But there is Salvacion to deflect the pass. Monay attacking. Drops it up to number 14 na si Calleja. But blocked by Lim. Vivares gives the ball to Karurukan and scores for 2.
Napakagandang 2 versus 2. 2-on-2 situation back there. Pero napaboran doon ang mga taga-Goa.
And there is Monay answering back with a triple bomb, and that three-point shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis. And as si Vivares swings the ball to Karurukan against Monay. This is what a pass, partner, but a sorry miss on the part of Kadir. Offensive rebound.
Wala pa rin. Kapos
Wala pa rin.
ng tira ni Kadir. Parang hesitant siya in, cutting sa paint kanina. Kaya medyo malamya yung kanyang binitawang mga tira.
Ayan na si Monay. Flies. But there is Jolard Asibur to the rescue with the putback.
What a big help for Julark Asibor.
Ayan na si Lim. Crosses to Consi. Ayan na si Kadir against Armendi with the skyhook. In and out. Medyo maalat. Ayan na si Lim again. But there is Lim to the rescue again para sa offensive rebounds ng Goa.
And merong foul na naitawag kontra sa mga nakaputi
Yes,
na
partner.
mga taga San Fernando. Ito, nasa monitor natin ngayon ang Vice Mayor ng Iriga City na si Edsel Di Maawat. So maraming salamat po Vice Mayor ng Iriga Edsel Di Maawat for gracing the occasion or gracing this special Father's Day presentation ng Acau Bicol Cup.
Yes, maraming salamat sa suporta at panonood. Vice Mayor, ayan na si Calleja. Misses the shot, but there is Michael Pan to grab the rebound. Gives the ball to Karurukan. Ayan na si Karurukan. Against two white shirts, binigay kay Lim with a short stab. Buket.
Nice cut from Oscar Lim at nice recognition naman on the part of Kilber Karurukan.
Grabe partner talaga si Lim. Once he's inserted sa ating lineup talagang he is contributing a lot talaga. Maybe both on offense and in defense. Yan na si Salvacion against Lim. Salvacion drops it up to Armendi but misses the shot. There is a new guy para sa mga naka-violet shirt. Si Padua pinasok na para palitan si Karurukan, but there is Michael Pan scoring with the undergoal stab.
And that's his first two-pointer of the ball game. Itong si Consi, Michael Pan.
Si Michael Pan has always been a decorative player talaga partner. Kahit despite siguro yung busy schedule niya, pero kondisyon na kondisyon pa rin. Ayan na Karurukan, gives the ball to Padua, but there is Asibur to block the shot.
What a block. And what a
Asibur given.
napaka-daring itong si Asibor, blocking the much bigger, much taller na si Padua.
Ayan na si Padua against Calleja, flies, drops it up to Karurukan with a
This
easy
time,
shot.
siniguro niya. Hindi niya na itinira. Nakita niya na mas advantage si Karurukan, kaya he dropped it off.
And that drop pass is brought to you by Hotel Venecia. Ayan na si Calleja, swings the ball to Armendi against Vivares. Armendi with a short stab, misses the shot. Karurukan flying high for the rebound. Ayan na si Karurukan rushing against Calleja. Passes 3 white shirts against 4. Gives the ball to Michael Pan for 3. No good. Rebound by
that's a
Salvacion.
That's almost a coast-to-coast play for Karurukan.
Calleja using the glass with a teardrop and scoring for 2.
Ayan, 20-9 lamang po ang Goa ng 11 point dito sa ating unang yugto. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining.
Yes, partner, this is an exciting ball game for sure kasi unti-unti na nagpapile up on scoring, especially yung San Fernando side talagang nag-uumpisa na lang mag-score. Yan na si Padua, drops it up to Consi Pan with a teardrop, misses the shot. Nakagawa ng bolas.
Joven Salvacion cannot grab that rebound pero natapik ni Padua kaya mapupunta pa rin sa kanila ang bola and they will have a chance na madagdagan pa ang kanilang score para naman mas umusad at mas marating nila ang score ng Goa, which is sa ngayon, sabi ko nga, 20 points, sila ay merong 9 points.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. This is so far the biggest lead of our ball game. And Asibur kicks it out to Monay for 3. Irons it, rebound, nakuha ni Vivares. Nakakarami ng rebounds to partner si Vivares. Yan si Vivares, gives the ball to Padua. Short jumper and block again by Armendi. Yun ang partner, grabe. ang mga guards ng San Fernando. Asibur for 3. Misses the shot, but there is
Walang pushing foul na naitawag doon. Talagang nasa momentum lang talaga itong
si number 28 na si Bongala.
Bongala. Kaya talsik si Romero kanina on that rebound.
We have a foul na nakita ang ating magigiting na referees. Tinawagan offensive foul, I guess. On the part of Padua.
So it will be San Fernando's ball at under a minute to go. 53 seconds po. Lamang ng siyam ang mga taga-Goa.
Yes, partner, what a defensive stop on the part of Padua. Ayan na si Losada. Hands it up to Romero. Drops it up to Rico with the layup. Using the glass but misses the shot. Losada grabs the rebound. Rico up and under. But there is the pesky guards ng San Fernando stealing the ball.
Rico was in heavy traffic doon.
Bongala using the glass but misses the shot. There is Losada grabbing the rebound. Ayan na. Consi Panis ahead against Mona and scoring for 2.
Just in time. Dahil pala papatapos na po ang ating unang yugto. 11 seconds na lang ang natitira. Meron pa namang chance ang mga taga San Fernando.
Monay misses the shot but there's a Sibur to grab the rebound and gives the ball to Bongala and scoring for 2. And beating the buzzer with the 2-point shot, and that ends our first quarter. Ladies and gentlemen, the score is 13-22. Goa Wildcats is up by 9 points.
Napakagandang pagtatapos ng unang yugto dahil both teams ay nakasungkit pa ng tigda-2 puntos bago magsara ang ating first quarter. And ito yung mga game, or actually yung mga quarter highlights ng ating naglalaban o nagtatapatang Goa and San Fernando dito po sa Iriga Sports Complex. Ang Ako Bicol Cup Bigaten quarterfinals atin po sa inyo ng Bisibis Bay, Highlands Legazpi, Hotel St. Elise at ng Hotel Venecia. Kasama niyo po si Kapak Morgan and Wadi John Bachelier giving you the best play-by-play and best analysis that we can give you dito po sa ating presentation ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Lake.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Giving you a special treat sa ating mga father, mga tatay ngayong Sunday. And this crowd is going crazy na kasi talagang papalapit na ng papalapit ang laban ng Iriga versus Camaligan. 2 of the powerhouse teams sa ating liga battling out. And partner, pasalahan muna natin ang ating mga leading scorers sa nakaraang quarter natin.
Yes, para sa mga taga San Fernando muna, itong si Monay ang namuna with 3 points, 2 assist. At samantalang sa Goa, 2 ang kumana. Itong sina Wawi Kadir with 6 points, 2 rebounds and 1 block. At si Kerber Karuruka naman, merong 6 points din. Pero meron siyang 4 na rebound at 2 assist at 2 steal. At eto na, nag-umpisa na po ang ating second quarter of action dito po sa tapatan ng Goa and San Fernando.
Yes, partner, para sa ating mga late tuners, donning the white and blue shorts are the San Fernando, and yung violet, yung Goa Wildcats. Completing the Goa is Romero, Nidwasa, Lozada, Karurukan, and Rico. On the part of San Fernando, si Monay, si Bongala, Aguilar, Asibur, and si Aguilar.
Si Christian Armendi nasa
rather.
loob din.
Yan na si Aguilar attacking against the much taller Rico. Yan na si Monay, fakes against Nidwasa. Gives the ball to Aguilar, top of the key 3. Misses the shot, but there is Lozada grabbing the defensive rebound. Ayan na si Rico sa ilalim. Misses the point blank range. Ayan na si Aguilar is rushing.
Napakagandang pasa sana yun ni Karurukan.
Aguilar, grabe partner, tanking his way talaga. Binangga ang napakahabang defender niya. But Aguilar is fouled and he will go to our free throw line.
We have fresh legs for Goa. Nasa loob na itong si Abi Nidwasa.
Partners, as of my source, si Nidwasa is a 5-time champion sa ating during his collegiate ranks, collegiate days with the University of Nelson Caceresco. Talaga he gives a much needed experience on this Goa squad. And sabi rin ng aking source, aking kuliglig, na this Goa squad is talagang matagal na rin magkakasama, partner. So they add Karurukan and Kadir, pero yung original core ng Goa talaga is talagang matagal na.
Intact sila.
Kumbaga.
And it shows naman dahil talagang kabisado nila ang bawat isa.
Ayan na si Romero with a corner three. Drains it.
That's a good shot.
And that shot was brought to you by Bisibis Cagraray Islands. Yun na nga, partner.
Was that the first 3-point shot made dito sa ating ball game? I think it is.
I guess it is. Ayan na si Asibur given the pick. Si
At
Romero.
merong foul na nakita ang mga referees. It's a pushing foul.
Yes, partner, I've covered this Romero guy. And I've seen him play defense over those top caliber scorers ng mga team. So talaga, this guy is a hard-nosed defender. And ayan na naman siya against Asibur. Asibur with the fake and a 3-point bomb misses the shot.
And nakikita yung talagang epekto ng good defense nitong si Romero kay Asibor dahil hindi talaga maasinta ni Asibor ang ring. Itong si Asibor known for his long-range 3-point shooting prowess. Pero dito sa ating laro, nasa second quarter na tayo, hindi pa siya nakakapag-shoot mula sa arc.
Yes, partner. Julark Asibur is now struggling, but I guess he will adjust come sa ating second half or sa mga remaining minutes ng ating laro.
And maganda naman dito kay Julark Asibor dahil kung hindi siya makakatira sa labas, siguradong makaka-penetrate siya papaloob.
Yes, tama dyan, partner, indeed. Yan na nga, kaya pinagsabay na sila ni Monay and Asibur to give more firepower pagdating dito sa San Fernando side. Ayan na si Monay against Karurukan, kicks it out to Aguilar. Aguilar against Rico. Wide bodies are banging. Ayan na si Salvacion against Luzada. What a defense on the part of Goa. Ayan na si Monay against Karurukan. Double team.
I think Joven Salvacion needs to be more mobile sa mga larong ito. He needs to find a space or an area for him na makakatira talaga siya na hindi siya masyadong mahihirapan.
Ayan na si Aguilar, top of the key. Wants to beat the buzzer but misses the shot. There is Nedwasa again grabbing the defensive rebound. Nedwasa gives the ball to Lozada. Elbow jumper, misses the shot. Mona Asibur grabs the rebound. Waiting for his teammates and crossing the half-court line against Romero. Gives the ball to Salvacion. To Aguilar, hands it up to Monay. With 15 seconds remaining sa kanila shot clock. Again, there is the defense of Romero but he committed a foul. Their third team foul rather.
They need Joven Salvacion na pumoste or pumosisyon at the paint para magkaroon ng mas kumbaga anong tawag dyan, yung high percentage shot. But right now we have a high percentage courtside reporter na nakaabang ngayon, Miss Barbie Floriano. Pasok!
Magandang gabi muli, Coach John and Coach Morgan, at magandang gabi mga kasurog. During the first quarter, nakita naman nating Team San Fernando is still studying the energy of their opponent and still adjusting in the hardcourt, considering that this is their first time playing here at Iriga City Sports Complex, resulting for them to have a hard time producing points for their team. Meanwhile, Team Goa players has a good chemistry in the hardcourt. That's why they were able to lead in this ball game and gave them a good ball rotation. That's the latest for now. Back to the panel.
Yan, maraming salamat, Miss Barbie Floriano. And tama ka, Miss Barbie, yun na nga din ang sinasabi kanina ng aking partner dito, na ang Goa ay medyo nakaka-advantage because of their chemistry. Because matagal na sila intact as a team. Samantalang itong San Fernando, gaya ng nasabi kanina ni Barbie, nag-a-adjust pa dito sa Iriga Sports Complex dahil first time nila na maglaro dito.
Yes, tama, partner, indeed. That is the advantage. Yan na nga, napatawag ang ating timeout. That shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise, partner. Yan na, unti-unti pang pumapasok, partner. Talagang napapansin ko dahil nandito tayo sa taas ng ating venue. Kitang-kita natin yung mga papasok at pumapasok pang mga tao. to witness this Father's Day special atid sa inyo. Siyempre, ng ako Bicol Party List and ni Congressman Saldico and siyempre ni Congressman Jill Bongalon who
Yes,
is
of course.
watching right now.
Oo, laging nanonood yan si Congressman Jill Bongalon. So shout out sa inyo, Congressman Jill Bongalon. And again, nagpapasalamat tayo kay Congressman Saldico for bringing this Ako Bicol Cup dito po sa Camarines Sur. And we're so happy, we're so proud na naging bahagi po tayo nito. And tama ka partner, papadami na ng padami yung mga spectators natin dito sa loob. Pero marami pa po ang bakante. Kaya kung malapit lang po kayo sa venue dito sa Iriga Sports Complex, abay, come on come on down and witness this action live dito po sa Iriga Sports Complex.
And kanina mukhang narinig ko na nabanggit ni Coach Paolo na watch out because I guess Cam Norte leg is in the books for sure na. Talagang pupunta na ata sila sa ating mga game venue. So talagang pakaabangan natin. At siyempre yan, siyempre sa atin ang Ako Bicol Cup, ay Ako Bicol Party List and si Congressman Saldico partner. Pakaabangan natin yan.
I'm sure excited na din yung mga taga Cam Norte na ma-witness nila itong Ako Bicol Cup sa kanilang probinsya.
Yes, partner. That shot was given to us by Vibares. Talaga much to the delight of the beautiful fans na naghiyawan ng mga kolehiyala dahil nakashoot ang kanilang player na si Vibares. Yan na si Salvacion. A native of Daraga Albay pala yan, partner. Si Salvacion.
No, he's from Pilar actually.
Ay, from Pilar actually,
Oo.
but he studied sa Daraga National High School.
Tama.
Defenders and went up, I guess, nagpunta pa to sa Manila to play for JRU Heavy Bombers. But ngayon, he is currently a varsity sa Annunciation College sa Sorsogon. And si Salvacion misses the shot. Vibares outlets to Rico with the layup.
And wala nang nagawa doon si Joven Salvacion to defend that shot from Rico dahil talagang naunahan siya sa posisyon.
Kaya na si Bonay gives the ball to Aguilar. Guarded by Rico. Aguilar for 3. Air balls it.
Tapos yan at mapupunta ang bola sa mga naka-violet ang team Goa. The Goa Wildcats.
Yes, partner. And
Maganda rin na mayroong parang subtitle.
yes, parang may moniker.
May moniker yung mga teams natin, ano?
Yes, partner. Kanina napag-usapan natin ng ating commissioner habang kami nagkakape-kape. Yun nga, mas maganda daw na may moniker. So pagdating siguro sa ating inter-province, kung meron, yung pinakabangan natin. Sabi, kung meron, dapat daw meron tayong moniker sa ating mga cities and municipalities.
So kayo dyan, mag-isip-isip na kayo. Ano bang ibabansag nyo sa inyong mga koponan?
Yes, yan na San Fernando is attacking Asibur, open for 3. Kaboom!
And this time, he made it. That's the first three-point shot made by Julark Asibor.
And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi.
Talagang kilala din ito si Julark Asibor with his long-range shots.
Yan na si Rico, medyo nanggigil. Ayan na, 2 against 1 Asibur. Kicks it out to Monay, corner for 3, binigay kay Nolura. Attacking, but there is Nedwasa to block the rebound and to block the defense. But he was caught with a foul.
Napansin ko lang partner na wala sa linyada ngayon ang isa sa mga guards nitong San Fernando na si Julius Gabriel. Kaya kung mapapansin mo, talagang gamit na gamit din itong si Roseller Monay, katulong ni Julark Asibor.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Yung dalawang taga Isla, native of Viga, Catanduanes, who is Gabriel and
Itong si
Beltran.
Beltran, oo, tama.
Is missing the game for tonight. And si Asibur with the rainbow bomb. Misses the shot. Good boxing out on the part of Lim over number 10 na si Nuika Arnel, who is inserted sa ating laro with 3 minutes and 42 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
10-point lead, 33-23. Lamang po ang Goa.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga, what a scoring on the part of Goa, but di pa sila nakakaalagwa talaga, partner. Ayan na, sabi ni Kadir, ako
Ayun na
bahala
naman.
dyan.
Ayun na naman yung left-handed semi-hook
Yes, partner.
ni Wawi Kadir.
Kumbaga, partner, who can defend that kind of shot? Kasi I guess Wawi Kadir listed is 6'5 or 6'6 and with a long wingspan and nag-hook shot pa. So
Oo.
talagang mahirap depensahan. Ayan na,
Ang depensa dyan, partner, huwag mo nang pahawakin ng bola.
karurukan and he was bumped ng kanyang kapatid na si Nuika. Kita mo, partner, a small version ni Karurukan na si Nuika.
Oo nga, no? Magkakasing katawan, medyo matangkad lang itong si Gerber Karurukan.
And pati yung aking kaibigan na nanonood na si Boss Ino Rivera who is watching right now. Magandang gabi sa iyo.
O, nangangamoy pa ng Manila yan, si Boss.
Yes, Boss.
Oo.
And happy Father's Day sa inyong lahat.
Sigurado ko may pasalubong yan sa atin, si Boss Ino. Grabe ka kaya, Morgs, ha? Nabigyan pa lang kita ng ano, ha? Alam mo na.
And si Karurukan makes the second one. And yun na nga. The score is 23-37 in favor of Goa Wildcats na si Asibur. Salvacion attacks. Salvacion was stripped by Karurukan. But
Mapapansin natin, parang wala pang na-contribute na offensively itong si Joven. So, for the meantime, eto, tuwang-tuwa ang ating mga bisita dito. That's Councilor ng Goa, Pinky Avila. So maraming salamat po, Councilor Pinky Avila, for being here.
Partner, tama. Nakikita ko na to si Consi during our game sa Goa. Talagang she is very supportive dito pagdating sa kanyang team. So maraming salamat po sa panonood at pagpunta dito sa Iriga Sports Complex kahit malayo sila, partner.
Iba talaga pagka-fan ka ng basketball.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And ayan na, si Salvacion drains the second free throw. And again, this game is far from over. The score is 25-37. And
hindi pa po natatapos yung ating first half or second quarter. We still have 2 minutes and 48 seconds.
Yun na, partner. Grabe, partner talaga. Every time Lim is inside the court talaga, he is contributing talaga, partner. Grabe.
Marunong siya pumosisyon.
Yes.
Alam niya kung saan ang strength niya. Kaya doon siya talaga pumuposisyon at nagkaantay na mapasahan ng bola.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Kung titingnan mo siya on the defensive side din, talagang he is working hard to defend those offensive players. Ayan na, humingi siya sa post si Lim. Magandang pasa kay Wawi Kadir, but airballs it. Ayan na naman, Lim with those top, pero hindi lang na-secure. Ayan na sa Cebu, hesitation. Binangga si Karurukan, but misses the shot. Michael Pan secures the rebound, gives the ball to Kadir, using the glass, but a sorry miss. Good defense on the part of Nuika, but naabusan ng real estate. But a good defense on the part of Nuika.
Hindi mabend ni Nuika ang kanyang katawan para mahabol ang bola.
Pero hats off to those kinds of defense talaga, partner. When he is inserted talaga, kailangan mag-contribute in any way.
Imagine yung dinipensahan mo doon, isang 6'4", 6'5" guy.
Yes, tama ka dyan. A possible 2-point shot na yun. But there is Nuika to deflect and to disrupt the shot. Michael Pan, top of the key three. Specialty in the house, misses the shot. There is Armendi grabbing the rebound. But ayun na, butik na maagaw ni Lim, but he committed a foul.
Pinaupo muna itong si Joven Salvacion at ang big ng San Fernando ay itong si Christian Armendi. Well, kung pagtatapatin natin, medyo lang nakakalamang pa rin when it comes to bigs. Itong Goa with Padua inside, although inilabas na nga muna at pinahingan muna si Wawi Kadir, pero mas malaki pa rin ang malalaking mama nitong Goa against San Fernando.
Yes naman, yung advantage naman of this San Fernando squad is yung young guns ng San Fernando, because as of my source talaga, the core members of this San Fernando squad is the members of Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Kung talagang kumbaga pabiro-biro nga sinatawag na San Fernando Golden Knights daw ang tawag dito. Kasi most of the players ng San Fernando is currently a varsity sa Ateneo Dinaga.
At nakikita naman natin yung kanilang run and gun type of game because of the press legs that we have for San Fernando with the likes of Asibor, Rosel Hermonay, and itong kanilang number 24 na si Joseph Calleja.
And si Vivares also a standout, a collegiate standout using the glass ng free throw. Grabe, partner, na Martina pa.
Oo.
Ayan na si Asibur with 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Lamang pa rin ng Goa Wildcats, 27-41.
So it's a 14-point lead po, mga kasurog. Hindi pa rin nakakalamang dito ang mga taga San Fernando. At napagandang play pa yon.
What
Sana.
a pass sana, but there is Karurukan flying and using the glass for dough.
And scoring for Team Goa.
Grabe, partner, using his wide body to elude the defense and to protect the shot. Grabe, partner, that is Culver Karurukan for you.
Yes, it does indeed an advantage na meron kang ganong kaha. Malaki at saka very agile pa.
Tama ka dyan at ginantihan ng kanyang mini version
Na
na
si
sinuwika with a bank shot to cut the lead of sa Goa to a manageable lead.
Oh, Sibor misses that one.
Yes, that is a costly turnover, partner. Medyo inaalat pa. And yun na nga, partner, napatawag ng timeout ang Goa, I guess, to give instructions sa last 35 seconds
Ng ating
ng
second
ating-
quarter or first
ng
half.
ating first half.
Nakakalamang pa rin po ang Goa, 43-29. Nako, kaya makakahabol pa kaya itong San Fernando sa pagpasok natin mamaya sa ating third quarter. Well, ang gagawin niyo po ay huwag kayong kukulap, huwag kayong aalis. Manatili po kayong nakatutok sa ating game na ito. Alright, and it's Goa and San Fernando na talagang pinipilit na makasungkit na panalo dahil hopeful pa rin sila na magkaroon ng chance na makasungkit ng upuan sa ating semifinals. And it will be happening soon. Actually, next week, semifinals na po tayo dahil this is the last day ng ating quarterfinals.
Yes, partner, and sabi nga kanina. And nga,
Ayan.
on our screens is our Consi, na si Consi Michael Pan, who is playing, partner. Hindi ito yung basta-basta mga Consiel na naglalaro. This is a vital player, partner.
Tama,
Dito
tama.
sa Goa Wildcats talaga. He is contributing and I guess nakapag-best player na maraming beses dito, si Consi.
Consi Michael Pan, councilor po ng Goa, and at the same time representing his municipality by rendering his services dito sa team ng, ayan, patapos po ang ating second quarter.
Consi Michael Pan beating the buzzer but misses the shot.
Ayan, Consi Michael Pan tried to beat the buzzer pero medyo malakas yung kanyang tira kaya he did not make it. Pero ganun pa man, nakakalamang pa rin po ang kanyang kupunan. 43-31 sa pagtatapos ng ating first half action. Tapatan ng San Fernando and Goa sa ating bigatin quarterfinals last day dito po sa Iriga Sports Complex. Tayo po ay magbabalik. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dako laang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilinwan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang kongresman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit 1 dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol. Tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
San? Wala namang group kayo. Salamat na kilala, naglawa ko ang snow. Malinis na laro, binigay sa publiko. Paglabas sa court, pwedeng maging amigo. Walang tatalo sa disiplinado. Lahat kami ay sumasaludo. Siya ako, ikaw, tayo ay di ko laro dito pa lang. Panalo na tayo, isigaw natin. Ako, Bicol, isigaw natin. Ako, Bicol. Ako, Bicol na, ito ay ating. Support, ipakita ang itrating. Ako, Bicol na, ito ay ating. Ito ay ating.
Dose po ang kalamangan, 43-31. Nakangiti po ang mga taga-Goa sa pagpasok natin dito sa ating second half or third quarter action ng tapatan ng San Fernando at ng Goa. Dito po, live na live sa Iriga Sports Complex, Arriba, Iriga.
And yan partner, talagang maraming pumapasok sa ating venue. Nakakita ako ng magagandang dilag na nag-cheer sa kanyang mga teams.
Oo. Siyempre maraming gwapo na nandito ngayon.
Yes,
at
tama ka dyan.
halos mapuno na po ang ating mga bleachers dito sa ating Iriga Sports Complex. Dahil siyempre mapapalaban mamaya ng matindi ang kanilang home team against Kamaligan. Pero right now, it's San Fernando and Goa. At eto na, ang mga taga San Fernando tumatakbo.
Muntik na maagaw ni Karurukan ng pasa ni Sibura. Yan na si Monay. Salvacion, top of the key jumper. Misses the shot, but there is Monay. And si Salvacion, what a dish. Kaya number 13 na si Ryan Benedicto. And opening the scoring for the second half is Ryan Benedicto with the short stab.
And that's a good sign for Team San Fernando.
Yes, yan na si Karurukan. Against Asibur, gives the ball to Vivares. Gives the ball to Kadir against Aguilar. Semi-hook, misses the shot. There is Asibur grabbing the defensive rebound.
Hindi masyadong effective si Kadir when it comes sa low posting, pero pag nasa mid post siya o nasa high post, talagang napipil ng kalaban ang kanyang epekto dahil sa kanyang mga semi-hooks.
Yes, speaking of effective, there is Vivares, very effective pagdating sa transition. Si Benedicto with the piso-piso move na pinapakita. Benedicto drops it up to Salvacion, but he shuffled his feet and he was caught dancing in the wrong song, was called for a traveling.
Sayang yung cut na yon ni Joven Salvacion. Mas maganda talaga na ganun ang mga gagawin niya, na he makes himself closer, go closer to the basket and have that high percentage shot.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. But the strong side of Salvacion, I guess, is facing the basket. Kumbaga, yun ang pinaka-strength niya. Is his perimeter jumpers. Although he is big, but his body is not enough to bang with those big guys like Kadir and the other bigs of Goa.
Mas komportable siya talaga na drailing those jumpers, mid-range jumpers. Kaya lang medyo hindi umi-epekto ngayon yon against this team Goa.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yan si Aguilar misses that elbow jumper, but well contested by Rico. And the score is 33-45. This is so far the biggest lead over a ball game. Rico mounts it off to
Kadir.
And Rico drilling the three, misses the shot, but there is Benedicto securing the possession. Asibur is rushing against three violet shirts, kaso waiting for his teammates. Ayan na, bagong pasok si Ebenezer Pan. Aguilar, corner jumper, misses the shot.
In and out yung tirang yon ni Aguilar.
Salvacion, elbow jumper, misses the shot. Medyo wala sa forma at wala sa rhythm ang ginawa ni Salvacion, but there is Vivares with the step back three.
Talking about rhythm, kung wala sa rhythm itong si Joven Salvacion, iba naman ang pinapakita ni Rap Vivares.
Yes, and that three-point shot is brought to you by Nisibis Bay, Cagraray Islands. Ayan na si Asibur, kicks it out to Benedicto with 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Monay, corner three, misses the shot but grabs his own miss. Salvacion, but there is Vivares blocking the shot and the stare down kay Salvacion. Karurukan with Trajan Rondo and one.
May pa-N1 pa yun. Itong si Gilbert Karurukan, and he will trip to the line for the 3-point play opportunity. Meron tayong report mula kay Miss Barbie Floriano.
Good evening, mga kasurog. Team Goa is having a good coordination within their players and is showing a good defense, and Team San Fernando needs to break that defense if they wanted to win in this match. Double up their effort and execute their game plan successfully. Sabi nga kanina ni Coach Joshua Garcia, their team is underdog in this tournament and yet they are still going to do and give their best. That's the latest for now. Back to the panel.
Yun ang maganda dahil they're still giving up their best kahit nga medyo underdog sila. Anyway, maraming salamat Miss Barbie Floriano for that report. At ngayon, nasa huddle yung mga teams natin dahil sa naitawag na timeout. And let me take this opportunity to say hi sa aking mga kapamilya dyan sa Anislag, Daraga Albay, sa relocation. Hello sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Mamaya siguro try kong banggitin yung mga names nyo.
Yes, magandang gabi sa inyo po. And syempre, ako rin, batiin ko ang aking mga constituents sa Barangay Kawit East Washington Drive. And mga nanonood na kaibigan dyan, magandang gabi sa inyo. Mahal na mahal kayo. Alam nyo na.
Alam nyo na, malapit na. And once again, happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga tatay.
Happy Father's Day. And
huwag nyong papagplansahin si tatay ngayon, ha?
Tama, bawal po.
Bawal yan.
This is our day. Pagdating ng 12:01 ngayon, mamaya pwede na ulit.
Sabi nga eh, today is Father's Day, but the rest of the year is Mother's Day.
Yun na nga, yan na si Vivares against Calleja. At nabitawan ng bola. And I guess the possession will retain sa mga taga-Goa.
And merong chance pa rin ang Goa. In this possession, madagdagan pa ang kanilang kalamangan.
Yan na si Kadir. Yan yung favorite spot niya, partner. Tama ka.
Tama. Yan talaga siya effective on the facing the rim.
Kaya kilala siya ni Karurukan attacking the defense of San Fernando and dishing out those kinds of assists. Yan na si step back on the part of Asibur. Misses the shot. Karurukan is rushing against two white shirts. Binitbit ang bola.
Oh!
And he scored. Plus a foul.
What a sensational move mula kay Gilbert Karurukan.
I know, I guess nakita ko there is a blocking foul but the shot is not counted.
Oh, sayang.
Yun na, doon na yung foul pa lang. Doon pa lang yung foul.
Oh, meron pa ng konting hawi, no?
Yan, partner. Dyan yung foul. So, hindi. It is not in the act of shooting. So, Vivares, tinamaan ng board. Ayan na si Monay. Calleja rather.
Yeah, that's Calleja.
Rushing. Gives the ball to Bongalay. Bongala. But misses there is a Kadir blocking the shot. And this Calleja specialty in the house.
That's a tough shot for Calleja. And they needed that one para sa team ng San Fernando. 53-36. Lamang pa rin po ang Goa. 5:49 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Again, kasama niyo po si Kapa Morgan, yours truly, and Mr. John Bachelier.
Yan nga, partner. Medyo dahil sa lamig ng aircon dito sa ating venue. Medyo natutulala ako, partner. Back to our ball game. Yan na si Calleja. Airballs the shot. And the time remaining is 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
He made his last shot from behind the arc, pero on that one, medyo malamya. Kapos na kapos ang tira niya.
Yes, it's a heat check, partner, siguro. Ayan na si Vivares against, yan yung kasurog matchup natin for tonight. Vivares versus Asibur. Yan na si Rico with the spin. And he was blocked, but there is Kadir again. Towering inside talaga, partner. Napakahaba ng mga galamay ng isang Wawi Kadir, and he was hacked and will troop to the line sa ating free throw.
And ang luxury na mayroon kang ganyang katangkad na player in Wawi Kadir, about 6'5". Napansin ko lang kanina, while warming up, hindi siya nakakadunk. Bakit kaya? Siya yung nagdunk po, kung makakita niyo sa mga highlights natin. Siya yung muntik nang mabuwal yung ring sa kanilang home court doon sa Goa. sa ating elimination, sa later part ng ating elimination.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kaya sinabihan ko siya nung time na nagdang siya dahan-dahan lang.
Di ba nakaupo ka dun sa may...
Yes, so, nagulat ako. Sabi ko, palitan mo yan pag nasira mo yan. Ayan na si Asibur, gives the ball to Monay against Rico. Monay attacks, stops. What a pass to Asibur. What a two-man game on the part of... that is a Ateneo Golden Knights connection, partner.
And the nice finish on the part of Julark Asibor.
Ayun na naman, partner. Ang very orthodox semi. Skyhook.
Itong si Wawi Kadir.
And partner, balita ko, partner, nag-message sa akin ng aking pinsan who is in the Dubai right now.
Ano
Si
daw
Wawi
sabi?
Kadir pala is a veteran of so many leagues
Oo.
and basketball
Kahit
games
sa mga
sa
abroad.
Dubai talaga.
Oo, tama.
And kumbaga talaga isa to sa mga tinitingala doon sa mga Filipino leagues over sa Dubai.
Oo. Talagang he's been into many battles kaya maganda na nandito rin siya sa Ako Bicol Cup. At masilayan natin ang kanyang prowess when it comes to playing basketball.
Yes, tama ka. He is now showcasing his talent here sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And speaking of showcasing his talent, partner, batiin ko ang aking kaibigan na si Jonathan Tickboy del Rosario na matagal nang nagpapabati at nakakalimutan ko lang. And currently is now playing sa Manila for another league.
Doon naman siya nagsushowcase sa
Yes,
kanyang talent.
Sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns talaga, partner.
Pero we're proud dahil solid, pure na pure Bicolano yan.
Yes, tama ka dyan.
Itong si Tickboy del Rosario.
And si Tickboy is a part of Legazpi sa
Yes.
ating Albay Leg. So talagang kudos sa aking kaibigan na si Tickboy del Rosario.
And one of these days, makikita naman uli natin yan dito sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Yes, syempre kasi if yung Interprovince nag-pursue talagang he will represent siguro Legazpi kasi nakapasok sila sa top 4 doon sa Albay Leg.
He will represent siguro Albay.
Legazpi.
Okay.
And another substitution, si Padua binalik at si Lozada, yan si Romero, ayan na yung mga defensive guards. And siyempre si Mike Consi. Consi Michael Pan is in the ball game to defend Asibur.
It's a 21-point lead now na po na-enjoy nitong mga taga-Goa kontra sa San Fernando na hindi pa talaga nakakalamang sa larong ito. And we're hoping still na makakadikit sila kahit papano before this ends. Dahil sabi ko nga, both teams must win this ball game.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, this squad of Goa talaga is fun to watch because this squad is a running squad talaga. Nangunguna sa, ayan na nga, si Bebares missing the shot. But there is Asibur.
Muntik nang maipasok yun, Vivares from the corner.
Yes, partner. Ayan ang si Asibur against Consi Michael Pan. Lumaban sa pick. What a shot, partner.
Tama yung ginagawa ngayon ni Julark Asibor na medyo mababa yung percentage niya shooting from behind the arc. Kaya inililapit niya na ngayon ang kanyang tira. Di bali ng 2-pointer lang basta't masigurado ang puntos na maiko-contribute niya para sa kanyang kupunan.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Si Romero gives the ball to Padua. Romero fakes. With 6 seconds remaining, takes the long jumper. Misses the shot. Asibur collects the rebound against Consi Michael Pan. Hesitates. Fires the long 3. No good. Rebound by Padua. Lozada is ahead. Di niya nakita. Drops it up to Lozada with a lefty layup and scoring for 2.
The Padua-Lozada connection is in effect.
Yes, partner. This squad talaga coming off the bench, scoring and contributing in any kind. Mapa-depensa man or offensa. Asibur gives the ball to Monay for 3. No good. Rebound ni Michael Pan. Consi is rushing against Monay. Michael Pan bumps, fakes, gives the ball to Vivares. Vivares in attack mode. Misses the shot. And Asibur.
Hirap doon nasa heavy traffic to si Vivares pero he forces the issue.
Ayan si Monay natawagan. Medyo tinamaan doon sa kamay si Vivares. And ang mga referees natin nakita yung foul na yon with 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining sa ating ikatlong yugto. The score is 42-63.
At 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining dito po sa ating third quarter. At comfortably seated na po ang mga nandito sa loob ng Iriga Sports Complex. So come on down, yung mga may plano pa na mapanood ng live ang laban mamaya ng Iriga at ng Kamaligan. Pumarito na po kayo para mapabilang dito sa padami ng padami na crowd dito sa Iriga Sports Complex.
Yes, partner talaga. Yun na nga, partner, if you're free, pwede kayo pumunta sa ating venue, partner. At libre ito, partner,
Oo.
walang bayad.
If you're free, this is also free.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Walang bayad
For
ito.
free, rather.
And after nyo magsimba or mag-celebrate ng Father's Day, this is a good dessert, partner. Ayan na, sabi ni Monay, gives the ball to Armendi.
Magandang play yun.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga, this is
Asibor to Monay to Armendi.
Kumbaga, this is a good treat sa inyong mga fathers, especially yung nahihilig sa basketball talaga. Because the second game is going to be a battle of two powerhouse teams dito sa Camarines Sur. Ayan na si Pan attacking, misses the shot. But there is Padua cleaning up the mess but misses the shot. Ayan na si Asibur against two violet shirts. Give the ball to Armendi. Binomba yung tira using the glass but misses the shot. Michael Pan is ahead. Bumps and scoring for two. Grabe, partner, si Consi talaga. Bilib na bilib ako sa mga ganito despite this busy schedule talaga. Pero kondisyon na kondisyon. Kumbaga, we all love basketball naman kasi talaga.
Nasa blood niya yan eh.
Yes, partner.
Hindi mawawala sa kanya yan. Ano man ang kaabisihan sa anumang larangan, I'm sure na binibigyan niya ng oras ang pag-iensayo para pagka ganitong napapalaban ang kanyang mahal na munisipyo, which is Goa, hindi siya mapapahiya.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Nagsisilbi na bilang konsehal at ngayon nagsisilbi pa bilang player.
At dahil dyan, mas mamahalin ka ng tao.
Ay,
diba?
tama ka dyan. Kagaya ng pagsisilbi ko sa aking barangay. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Romeros. And Nuika.
Easy two.
Easy two.
31 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. 67-46. 21-point lead pa rin po. Goa.
And Romero gives the ball to Lusada. Short jumper. No good. Ayan si Bongala. Outlets to Asibur. Asibur. What a defense displayed by Romero, partner. Grabe naman yon.
Tama.
With 13.6 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Papalapit na po ang fourth quarter at papalapit na ang ating second game na inaabangan ng karamihan dito sa Iriga. Ang kanilang home team mapapalaban sa top seed ng bracket B, which is Kamaligan.
With 8 seconds remaining, in Asibur against Consipan. Asibur was fouled. A duty foul on the part of Consipan. Tama naman, they're not yet in the penalty. So, I guess this is a inbound again. With 3.9 seconds remaining, tingnan natin if San Fernando will score in this possession. Si Asibur fakes. Asibur with the step back three. Come on! And beating the buzzer is Dulart Asibur with those dagging threes. And that ends our third quarter with the score of 46-67 in favor of Goa Wildcats.
Dahil dyan, nabawasan ang Kalamangan into 18 points. Tama ba? Computation ko. Bahala ka na, coach.
Yes, it is an 18-point lead, partner. Kumbaga, it is a moral booster on the part of San Fernando with those kinds of 3 points. Kaya naman, medyo tingnan natin kung ano magiging complexion ng ating...
Sa pag-start ng ating third quarter, sila yung unang nakapuntos. And dito naman sa pagsara ng ating pangatlong lugto, sila pa rin ang nakascore. So, still a good sign.
Yes,
and high hopes pa rin para sa kupunan ng San Fernando over Goa.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga, this is anybody's ball game. Kumbaga, hindi pa tapos ang laro. And syempre, yun na nga, pakadabi ng padami, paulit-ulit kung sinasabi dahil talagang napapansin natin dito sa napakagandang Iriga Sports Complex. Maraming salamat po at yung mga bisita natin na patuloy na pumapasok dito. Sige lang po kayo at mag-enjoy ng Ako Bicol Cup Basketball.
And again, this is for free, ano? Wala po kayong babayaran. And this is also being fed live sa ating mga Facebook pages, sa Ako Bicol Online TV, Representative Saldico Facebook page, sa Ako Bicol Facebook page, and siyempre pa sa ating YouTube channel, ang Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya sige na, mamili na lang kayo kung saan kayo pwede. Alright, but for now, nandito kami in flesh and blood. Kaharap ang dalawang kupunan na naglalaban and ang mga crowd na nandito ngayon sa Iriga Sports Complex, Kapa Morgan and John Bachiller para po sa inyo ngayong gabing ito.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Vivares. Drops it up to number 6 na si Lim. But blocked by Nolyora. What a defense on the part of Domingo Nolyora, blocking the shot of the Lim. Ayan na naman si Lim, partner talaga.
Oo, nandiyan na naman sa loob.
Being aggressive dito sa ating start of the fourth quarter.
Expect na naman natin na paunti-unti ay makakapuntos na naman siya. Gaya ng ginawa ni Gilbert Cararucan, who tried to have a much better spot para makatira. At yun na nga, successful yung kanyang two-pointer.
Gandang inbound play on the part of Goa talaga. Knowing that this squad is a veteran squad, kaya kitang-kita kung gaano kaganda. Ayan na si Wawi Kadir. And Vivares against two white shirts, rushing. Pull back, swings the ball to Cararucan against Asibur. Cararucan misses the shot, but there is bodies banging inside. And natawagan ng foul ng mga taga
body falling
Goa.
down. That's Oscar Lim kanina na bumagsak. And again, this Ako Bicol Cup Camarines leg ay hatid pa rin po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na kasurog pa. And presented to you by IMBC or Infinity Media Broadcasting Company para sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Ayan na si Cararucan is ahead. Cararucan is rushing, waiting for Salvacion, and one! Plus the foul, grabe partner.
Talagang pinasabit niya doon si Joven Salvacion.
Tama ka dyan partner, kitang-kita mo na yan partner. And that shot was brought to you by Bisibis Bay. Cagraray Islands, tiningnan pa, medyo nauna na siya.
Sabi niya, sumakay ka pa.
Ayan na nga partner. Sabi niya, ayan, inintay niya pa. And shielding his body with his white body talaga. Kaya nakakuha pa siya ng foul. And ito na nga, parami na ng parami ang nanonood sa ating venue to witness the games. Sir, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Salamat po sa suporta. Yan na si Nadwasa with the offensive rebound. Again, Salvacion with the crossover. Nadwasa spins. But there is Monay.
Oo. Sabi niya, tama ng dribble pre.
Ayan na si Aguilar. Free throw, jumper. Makes it. And
that's a good shot from Aguilar.
Yes, partner. Decreasing the lead to just 20 points right now. Kaya medyo this game is very manageable. And Kadir against Salvacion misses the shot. Nakuha ni Asibur yung bola.
Alas magkasing height itong si Kadir and Salvacion.
Ayan na Aguilar powering his way. Kicks it out to Asibur. Asibur, what a pass to Bungalay.
What a play there.
What a pass kay Bungalay and a good finish. And that shot is brought to you
by Hotel St. Elise. Magandang pasa yon mula kay Asibor papunta kay Bongala. And hindi naman siya ipinahiyan itong si Bongala.
Yes,
ay
tama.
Talagang open na open naman yung tirang yan.
And yan again, a defensive stop on Bongala. Yan na si Monay. Gives the ball to Aguilar. Short stop. Makes it.
Ayan, same spot. Almost same spot. Same result.
Yes, a 6-0 run on the part of San Fernando. Yes, partner, don't count this out. This team count out kasi they are on a run. So, tingnan natin kung ano magiging stops ng Goa pagdating dito sa San Fernando. And si Kadir cutting using the finger roll, misses the shot. There is Aguilar grabbing the rebound.
And it's just a 16-point lead kanina. 23 yan. At meron pa tayong under 7 minutes dito sa ating fourth quarter.
Yan na. Bongala with a rainbow bomb.
There you go.
And that three-point shot is brought to you by Hotel.
Yung tira ni Aguilar kaya hindi niya na naibuslo at pero nakasungkit naman ng foul.
Yes, tama ka dyan partner. A mini run for San Fernando right now. Talaga kumbaga they are gaining their composure right now. Kumbaga talagang kaya napatawag agad ng timeout ang coach ng Goa to stop the bleeding or medyo lumumig naman yung konti ang opensa ng San Fernando.
San Fernando. They struggled at around mga score dito sa Goa para mas magkaroon sila ng chance na manalo dito sa labang ito.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. This is just a 13-point lead. And si Aguilar.
Sayang nga lang yung unang tira ni Aguilar. Missed.
Yes, partner.
Pero meron pa siyang chance dito.
Aguilar has a chance to score even without yung oras niya hindi gumagalaw but misses both free throws. That is a bad sign on the part of Aguilar. Sayang nun, partner, kasi their momentum is now on their side but misses 2 free throws.
And they have to make a defensive stop dito para dire-diretso ang kanilang momentum.
Vivares, corner 3, misses the shot but there is Salvacion. Ayan na. Si Asibur against Concipan. One-on-one, may pick na binibigay si Salvacion. Asibur hesitates. What a pass. Aguilar, short jumper, makes it.
Napakagandang tira. Composed na composed from the corner itong si Aguilar from the dish of Joven Salvacion.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. That dish and that offense started with the good passing ability of Asibur and orchestrating inside. Kaya yun, nakapag-contribute ang kanyang mga team. Ayan na si Bongala.
Talagang hirap ang mga taga-Goa na makapuntos.
Aguilar with using the glass but misses the shot. Medyo binaybi, partner.
Minadali ni Aguilar. Pero bumawi siya. Sandali, mayroong tawag.
Yan na nga, partner. There is a foul kanina bago makatira si Aguilar.
For the second time.
Yes, partner. There is a foul during the shot of the rebound of Wawi Kadir.
Pero it's just an 11-point lead now for Goa at 5 minutes and 17 seconds.
Vivares fakes up and under but there is Salvacion to block the shot.
Oo, wala talaga. Hindi sila nakakaskor.
What a bad pass on the part of Monay. Medyo mababa kasi streaking na si Salvacion. Dapat he could have passed na mas mataas on the part of Salvacion para masalo.
Monay intended to make a bounce pass pero malabo na yon dahil sa momentum yung katawan nitong si Joven Salvacion.
What a in and out dribble ni Karurukan. But there is again Salvacion to block the shot.
Good defensive stop.
Asibur is rushing. Stops and pops for 3. No good. Rebound, Wawi Kadir.
Sayang. Kung na-shoot yun ni Asibur, ay mag-iibang istorya dito sa ating larong ito. Pero pa rin, struggling pa rin ang mga taga-Goa.
Asibur open for 3 fakes. Attack. What a fake pass. Misses the shot. There is Vivares again. Grabbing the defensive rebound.
Both teams cannot make points at this point in time.
Yan na si Concipan. Open for 3. Gives the ball to Wawi Kadir. But there is Salvacion again with a defensive stop. Grabe, partner. 3 possessions na nakaraan. Talagang maganda yung depensa na pinapakita ni Salvacion.
And for both teams actually. Kasi hindi na, pati rin yung mga taga San Fernando, hindi rin nakascore sa kanilang previous possessions.
Yan na si Karurukan. Gives the ball to Conci. Michael Pan. Corner 3. This is the shot. Yan na si Aguilar.
In heavy traffic. Pero mukhang mayroong foul. 3 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. 11-point lead lang po ang inihabol na ngayon ng San Fernando as we get ourselves closer and closer sa pagtatapos ng match na ito.
Armendi, short jumper.
Oh!
Tumama sa na-stuck sa ating ring. Tingnan natin kung anong possession. I guess the possession will go to Team Goa Wildcats. That is a crucial possession. Sayang, partner, talaga. Hindi na ipasok ni Armendi ang kanyang floater.
That's their 4th opportunity actually for Team San Fernando. Buti na lang at hindi rin nakakascore itong mga taga Goa.
Yes, partner, we have a drought right here. Ayan si Concipan trying to end the drought with that dagger 3, I guess. And that extend the lead to 14 points with 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto.
That one was brought to you by Hotel Venetia.
Ayan na, Bongalay against Rico, gives the ball to Asibur, heavily guarded by Concipan. With 7 seconds remaining, Bongalay for 3.
Yes! Sagutan na ng 3. Dito, sa pagtatapos ng ating ball game, we only have 3 minutes.
Yes, partner. Yan na si Karurukan crossing the half-court line. Gives the ball to Vivares. Open for 3. Misses the shot. But there is Rico grabbing offensive rebound and cleaning up the mess for 2.
Ayan, kung hindi man na i-shoot ni Vivares yung outside shot na yon, nandun si Rico to save the day for Team Goa.
Ayan na si Asibur attacking. Stops. What a pass to Moray.
What a play!
Grabe. Yung Ateneo Golden Knights connection working wonders sa ating huling yugto for tonight's ball game.
Lista mo na yon sa one of the best plays of the week. The Asibor and Monay connection for Team San Fernando.
Ayan na si Vivares up against Armendi. Vivares attacks, flies, misses the shot. Rebound di Armendi. And tumama sa paa ang bola, mananatili sa mga taga-Goa.
Sayang. Ayan na. Magto 2-minute mark na po tayo. 76-65. Ang lead ay nasa mga taga-Goa pa rin. At ayun, padami na nga ng padami. Punong-puno na tayo dito sa ating venue, the Iriga Sports Complex. Arriba Iriga. And maya-maya mapapalaban po ang kanilang home team against the top seed dito sa ating bracket B sa ating quarterfinals na pinamagatang bigatin. Again, mapapalaban ang kanilang home team Iriga against Kamaligan.
Yes, tama ka dyan.
And sa ngayon, meron tayong 1.1 live viewers sa ating Facebook page. So we do appreciate those watching us right now live. Saan man po kayong sulok sa mundo, kami po ay nagpapahadid ng aming pagmamahal sa inyo. Binabati natin, lalong-lalo na yung mga tatay ng, again, Happy Father's Day.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Happy Father's Day. Handog sa inyo. These games are brought to you by Bicol Party List, syempre. And si Congressman Saldico and si Congressman Jill Bongalon. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. This is a Father's Day treat.
Tama. So I'm sure ngiti-ngiti na ngayon yung mga tatay, nakataas yung mga paa, nanonood at walang hindi nagwo-worry na sila yung mapapag-utusan ngayong gabi. Ano ka na dyan? Yung mga ka na dyan, alam mo ba yun?
Yan na nga talagang ito. I guess the crowd is still up on their feet, papasok dito to witness this kind of games talaga for sure. So magaganda ang mga susunod, lalo na malapit na ang ating semifinals and syempre yung finals and syempre kung sino magkakamit ng prestiyosong kampyonato sa pinakaunang leg dito sa Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And yan, 2 minutes na lang ang nalalabi po dito sa ating laban. They have to score. San Fernando needs to make that shot, pero wala.
A sorry miss on the part of Aguilar. Sayang, that shot is open, but medyo binibi niya yung tira, kaya nagbintis yan na si Vivares. 1-on-1 against Aguilar. Vivares dribbling exhibition, may pick galing kay Rico. Nabasan niya yung two-man game. Ayan na si Monay. Outlets to Asibur. And what a foul. Good foul on the part of Vivares.
Oo, para ma-prevent na makascore yung nasa unahan na si Armendi. Si Armendi mo yun? Tama?
Yes, partner, tama si Armendi. What a good foul, preventing Armendi for an easy 2 points. Pero I guess may review na tinitingnan ng ating magigiting na referees kung ano magiging hatol kasi
will that be an unsportsmanlike foul or what?
We'll see kasi hindi na bola ang hinabol niya. So tingnan natin kung ano magiging hatol nila.
Pagka ganun, partner, ang tendency tawagan ng sportsmanlike foul. But we will see kung ano ang magiging judgment ng ating mga officials on that particular sequence. But right now, again, nandito po tayo sa Arriba Iriga. Iriga Sports Complex na patuloy po na dinadagsa ng mga spectators to witness their team na mapapasabak sa top-seeded team na Kamaligan. And again, this is a very important game para sa koponan ng Iriga.
Yes, tama ka. Indeed, this is very important game sa mga teams na involved right today's matchup. Ayan na si Asibor with the fake against Konzi Michael Pan. May pick na binigay kay Ermendi. Kicks it out to Monay. Bongala for 3. No good, but there is Aguilar to grab the rebound. And yun na nga, nakita ko na naman na may coaches challenge siguro nahihingi ng ating coach ng Goa.
Goa, oo. Because sa tingin nila, na si Aguilar yung may naka-last touch doon.
Talagang dali-daling nag-request ng coaches challenge si coach. Kasi I guess that is a very important possession on the part of San Fernando. If they scored talaga, the lead will be up to just a single digit. Kaya medyo crucial ang possession na mangyayaring ito.
Tama. And right now, the referees are reviewing. Ayan, the buzzer sounded and babalik na tayo sa action. So it's gonna be
yan, partner,
Goa's basketball.
Yes, tama. Kumbaga successful ang naging challenge ng Goa talaga, partner. Kumbaga this is the last day of our bigatin kasi every possession talaga counts. So tingnan mo naman kung gaano talaga nagbibigay ng mga instructions ang ating mga magagaling na coaches ng bawat kupunan.
And every opportunity counts. Kaya inire-reserve ng mga coaches yung coaches challenge sa later part ng game. Lalo pat ganito, crucial din ang laro nito para sa kanila.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. And with just 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto, with 10 seconds remaining sa kanila shot clock, tingnan natin kung ano magiging plano ng Goa.
It seems like Goa will be winning this game. Itong Goa, kung maaalala mo, partner, ay tinalo nito ang Iriga.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga sabi nila, they are still in Cloud 9 right now after beating the powerhouse Iriga squad. But
kaya umuusok ngayon ang mga ilong ng mga taga-Iriga para siyempre sa kalaban nila na Kamaligan, kailangan nilang maipanalo ito para mas magkaroon sila ng chance na makakuha ng upuan sa ating semifinals. So it's going to be another exciting ball game mamaya-maya.
Yes, tama dyan, partner. This is indeed an exciting ball game for us. And syempre talaga, we should not forget that Iriga squad is a veteran squad. So tingnan natin kung
anong powerhouse squad.
Tingnan natin kung anong magiging adjustments nila because now they're playing behind this 6-man. Kumbaga yung crowd nila is here to support and cheer for them. And I guess it's safe to say, partner, that this game is going to be
Goa's game
in the side of Goa. But we'll just wait for the final buzzer and the final score. Ayan na si Vivares. Gives the ball to Konzi Michael Pan. Konzi attacks.
Was blocked.
But
nakuha itong si Aguilar.
Asibur, what a drop pass kay Armendi, partner. The score is 78-68. This is just a 10-point lead, but I guess
wala nang time. The time is not on the side for San Fernando, pero salute pa din sa kupunan na ito for their participation dito sa ating napakamagarbong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur League.
Tama ka, partner. Kudos to San Fernando. I guess this is not yet over. But this is just a learning experience on the part of San Fernando. Don't count this team out kasi sa second season natin for sure magpapalakas at lalong magiging exciting ang mga players na meron sa San Fernando.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Tayo ay nag-i-improve. I'm sure yung mga kupunan dito sa Camarines Sur para sa Ako Bicol Cup ay mag-i-improve din sa mga susunod na season natin.
Yes,
But
tama.
right now, we're so excited na ma-witness ang isa na namang napakagandang laban. Maya-maya ang Iriga against Kamaligan. And nagtapos pa lang po yung ating first matchup dito sa ating doubleheader sa final day ng ating bigatin quarterfinals ng Ako Bicol Cup. Nanalo po officially with a score of 78-68 ang mga taga Goa.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. As we take a look some highlights sa ating laro talaga. Starting off, the rally of Goa Escon si Michael Pan with those fast break shots. And syempre, yung attacking na si Padua talaga, but he was suffered a foul during the first part of the game. So medyo nabawasan ang kanyang minutes, but still a total team effort on the part of Goa Wildcats.
Absolutely. So, we're watching the highlights of the ball game. Again, pasalamatan natin yung mga sponsors natin, yung Misibis Bay, yung Legazpi Highlands, Hotel St. Elise, at syempre pa, yung Hotel Venecia.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. And yun na nga, partner, nakikita ko na a good size crowd and a wild crowd siguro ang pakakaabangan natin dito sa ating pangalawang laro. And pasalamatan ko na rin, partner, ang ating mga bossing na nandito sa ating venue, si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera, who is very on hand sa ating mga laro. And syempre yung kapatid niya, si Boss Ino Rivera and si Wes Russell na nandito.
Oo.
And magandang gabi sa inyo, mga bossing.
Balita ko, busog na busog ka kanina.
Oo, maraming salamat sa palunch ni Bossing kanina. And syempre, batiin ko na rin ang aking mga anak who is watching right now, si Franco Miguel and Juan Carlos. Good evening sa inyo. And ang aking tatay, happy Father's Day sa iyo, Ray Bachiller. Love you.
Happy Father's Day, Sir Ray.
And yun na nga, partner, while waiting for our candidates. Marami tayong candidates, partner,
Para
for
sa
Kasurog.
ating Kasurog player of the game.
Kasi nga, it's a total team effort talaga, partner, dito sa Goa. Marami tayong pagpipilian.
Of course, unang sa listahan natin ay yung ating kasama sa ating Kasurog match-up for the game, which is Rap Vivares.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And syempre, tingnan natin kung sino ang makakapanayam ng ating courtside reporter na si Barbie. Marami tayong candidates. Si Karurukan, si Kadir also had his fair share kanina. And si Konsi Michael Pan, who's talagang very active and very...
and worked hard for the win of this his team. Kaya sige, makikita natin yan kung sino yung bit-bit ni Miss Barbie Floriano. At kaharap sa camera, ayun na yun po ang ating Kasurog player of the ball game dito po sa ating unang match-up sa ating doubleheader for tonight. Again, sa ating day 44 and the final game ng ating Bigaten quarterfinals. And right now, partner.
Yun na nga, partner. Kasama na ng ating courtside reporter, ang ating Kasurog best player of the ball game, Barbie. Kumusta dyan?
Thank you, Coach John and Coach Morgan. Kasama ko na ngayon ang ating Kasurog player of the game, si GC Karurukan, jersey number 28 from Team Goa, who gained 25 points, 5 rebound, 3 assists, and 2 steals. Congratulations, GC. So, can you please tell us kung which part of the game you consider na pinaka-challenging?
Yung pinaka-challenging namin na nakalaban is yung tumalo sa amin, yung which is ang Kamaligan. So, yun. Hintayin namin yung result na yung second game kung papasok kami or hindi.
May follow-up questions po ba kayo, Coach John and Coach Morgan?
Yes, congratulations sa'yo, pare, for being the best player of the ball game. Pare, napansin ko talaga na binubuli mo yung mga guards. Especially, alam ko, malaki ka doon. And syempre, pero ano naging inspiration mo, partner? Kasi talagang this game is very important. Kung ano yung naging plano nyo bago mag-umpisa ang larong ito?
Yun lang, hindi kami pwedeng relax. Kasi, lalo na yung tinalo kami nung Kamaligan, doon kami kumuha ng inspirasyon na kailangan di na kami matalo. Dapat lahat ng games panalo namin. Tapos yun, yung key namin para manalo is yung teamwork namin. Kasi wala dito yung star player. Dapat teamwork kami para makuha namin yung lagi panalo.
And meron din akong question. With your win for tonight's game against San Fernando, mas malinaw na yung chance nyo na magkaroon ng upuan sa ating semifinals. Ngayon, meron pa chance na makalaban nyo ulit itong Kamaligan. Paano nyo ito paghahandaan?
Yun lang, siguro unang-una manunod kami nung game namin, yung last game namin ng Kamaligan para mabasa namin kung ano yung mga mali namin, yung mga lapses namin para ma-improve na makadikit kami sa Kamaligan or manalo kami. Yun lang. Siguro kailangan namin mag-viewing nung kalaban namin nung Kamaligan.
Okay, maraming salamat, GC Karurukan. At ito, meron pa akong tanong sa inyo. Ano yung feel na naglalaro ka sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur?
Unang-una, Papasalamat ako sa ako Bicol Cup. Tapos yung suporta sa akin ng Goa is walang halong biro yung suporta sa akin ng Goa. Yun lang. Masarap sa feeling talaga.
Okay. We appreciate that.
Thank you for that question, Coach Morgan and Coach John. Ngayon naman, you have the opportunity para pasalamatan ang supporters mo.
Ayun, mahaba lang. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat po kami kay Mayor MSP, Attorney Francis Papica, Engineer Roel Pastor, Kagawad Doc Tolin Respali, Mr. Manuel Endram Asor, Jacksonville Hotel, Mr. Kendall Rosales, Joel Dalangin, Salvador F. Lago, Presabil Gil, Pioneering Batch, Rapado 96, Karurukan Family, happy birthday Den and Sean, Family Prado and Abaragan. At binabati ko yung asawa kong kasama ko nanood ngayon. Tapos si Erica Jane Molion at saka yung family ko, mama ko, papa ko. Happy Father's Day pa para sa ito. Sa kuya ko, tapos yung kaibigan ko sa Lemery, si Jomar, si Alvin, si Lisel, at saka yung team Sanggalang, si Polo, si Almacen, tsaka si JB, tsaka ang kuya ko, ate ko, mga pamangkin ko, at saka sa kamag-anak ko sa Ilocos Norte, Kulubong family, yun lang.
Ayan. And here sums up our Game 1 for tonight. Congratulations, Team Goa and GC. Stay tuned mga kasurog because we will be back for Game 2, Kamaligan against Irigan. This is Barbie Floriano, ako Bicol Cup, Courtside Reporter.